Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to do something a little bit fun, and that is do a mystery tech quote-unquote unboxing, because it's not really an unboxing, it's more of an unveiling. And so this is the mystery tech back here. So let's go ahead and do the official unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing or unveiling of what this is. Bam! It is a projection TV. This TV was really heavy. I don't remember the dimensions, but it took a few of us to actually move this. And for anybody who is not familiar with a projection TV is, maybe they grew up in the days of flat panel TVs, it's basically super heavy. Check that out. So this TV is probably over 200 pounds, I'm pretty sure. And it took a few of us to move it, and wow, it really makes me appreciate the TVs that we have now. They're so thin and light, the screen sizes are much better, and you won't break your back like you will here. And so before this projection TV, we actually had I would say a furniture style TV. If anybody's old enough to remember like Curtis Mathes TVs, they're basically furniture, way heavier than this. And before that we had tube TVs, or basically they were tube TVs slash furniture. And so yeah, so if you are a young person and you're used to seeing flat panel TV, consider yourself very lucky, especially if you don't have to move these things. And if you kind of like can imagine, if you were back in the day, you had to move something like this up some stairs, yeah, this is not going to be fun. For the best value in domain names, check out Namecheap, where you could get a domain for an entire year for less than $10, plus get WhoisGuard privacy protection for free. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. So that is just my mystery unboxing today of this projection TV. And we got this TV, I think, back in 1999. So it's older than some people, but it still works. So, yep, that's it. If you actually had any thoughts on this projection TV or any of your other mystery tech that you like, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.